obviously you should be passionate about your business. Others can help you only when you help yourself. And it's a saying also, God helps those who help themselves. You also were figuring it out how to help it out, but the way you took your all the works in how to work it out, and I really felt that was very good because you were helping, you were trying your best to help it out. Attend the mastermind calls, attend there, show up there, ask your queries, you'll get answers with that.
Hello Tanima ji, welcome back to our funnel inside Alpha Club.
Yes, thank you so much Jayant, and it's always a pleasure to talk to you, as you know.
Have been very good friends.
Yes.
So Dr. Tanima, tell us a little bit about your business.
Okay, so I am a doctor with Obs and Gynae experience for 14 years, and then I started working as a lactation consultant. So basically now I work with mothers, new mothers, helping them with their feeding issues. And also we have a product range in the name of Dr. Mix as an umbrella brand. And then under that we have our own registered brand as Lactomagic, which is a lactation supplement.
I know you have joined us when Alpha Club was, not even Alpha Club, it was called Digital Marketing Club.
Yes.
Then you joined back in Alpha Club. So share us a little bit of your journey.
Okay.
First of all, what attracted you to digital marketing, being a doctor?
So I always had this kind of thing that this lactation needs to be more awareness, because mothers, they either reach out to a gynecologist or a pediatrician. Okay. So basically what happens when they are reaching out to gynecologist or a pediatrician, sometimes their common issues may be answered by the doctors, but they need special care, they need special counseling, and that needs time. So this gap I always realized as a Obs and Gynae doctor there. But now I was fully prepared to bridge this gap. And that's when I started this lactation consultations. But I was not getting proper patients who could reach out for lactation. They were reaching out to me Obs and Gynae, which I was not, I wanted to reach out for more lactation. So I felt that digital marketing is one thing where I can reach out to my targeted audience basically. So these words also were new to me. A targeted audience and all these things, but anyhow that COVID
I've grown from asking मेरे जैन Facebook आर समझ नहीं आ रहा to like webinars में pitch मार रही है doctor जैसे
Pixel and all that I heard for the first time during DDIP. What is pixels and all that? So I remember I hired a person to make my website, and even for plugins he used to charge me. For input I used to ask this, okay, how to add this? He used to say there is a plugin and it is a paid thing. And I paid him whatever he was asking. But I had this in mind that why everything is so costly in digital marketing. So that's when that COVID started, and I was thinking like, chalo, let me also just dig in about it. So I started finding on internet on about digital marketing, and that's when I came to know about DDIP. So I joined DDIP, and then, yes, correct. So we joined DDIP, and during that batch, one guy, they were always there for any questions. Okay, and I was like, acha, he's helping so many people, so I should also reach out to him. And that was Jayant. So he was always the limelight of that group. So we were in same batch. So I reached out to Jayant about my topics and all. My first time was something in my website which we were asked to make during our first week or second week, I suppose. Something was there which was not working, and I don't remember, but I asked you. You just worked it out and it was all clear.
Just starting that business.
Yes, correct. We were just starting. And that time, you also were figuring it out how to help it out. But the way you took your all the works in how to work it out, and I really felt that was very good because you were helping, you were trying your best to help it out. And that was more than enough for me. So,
such a kid back then, if I go back. Yeah.
But that time when you were also telling me about that present, whatever your things were going on that time. So about Joy Fate and all that.
Tanima ji and I would go on Zoom calls,
Yes.
10 o'clock at night.
Yes.
My girlfriend, now fiance, would be like, "Arey, बात करना है, client के साथ बात कर रहे हैं."
Yes. So I remember you were in Joy Fate, and we used to talk about you were writing content for them, and I was like, मेरे लिए भी लिख दो product के लिए, and you were like, I charge a lot for them, and I'm like, अरे मेरे लिए लिख दो ना, that is something like. So we had that kind of thing, and after a certain time, we both used to get bored after a time, and when you were like, oh, वो मैडम का फोन आ रहा है, and हाँ ठीक है चलो, it's okay, yes, of course, it was there, but it was good actually. I really say that digital marketing was very new to me. So during that time, covering up and talking to somebody and getting motivation and inspiration that time, And then seeing your growth, that was so good. From batch over, Baba, kya jump mara hai, seethe as a Pixel Track co-founder.
Inspiration तो आपसे मिलना है. Remember that I vividly remember जब डीडी बोल रहे थे कि like how much do you want to make when you're starting
Yes.
digital marketing club.
Correct.
50,000 आ जाए.
Oh, it was okay because I just started, and for digital marketing, online earning was something a big dream for me. And I was thinking, chalo 50,000 bhi aaye to it's okay, na? That was okay. So Didi asked, how much do you want to earn per month? And I said 50,000 is okay. So, and but for the case study also, he took more. He told to me during that discussion also, I'm assuming you are learning around 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs. And I'm like, बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रहे हैं sir. So that was.
Doctor को कितना कैसे हो सकता?
हाँ.
But what's your current revenue numbers if you don't mind?
Okay, so December I touched 7, and December 2022 when I decided on joining Alpha Club, that time I touched 7 point something, and now this month I'm going to touch 10 lakhs. Yes. So this is good.
The consultations, and we have also raised the price.
Yes.
The e-commerce both.
Yes, and that was again one thing. I was very hesitant in increasing the prices of my consultations, but Didi said that you have to do it. So whatever he told, I didn't increase that much, but still a smaller amount I increased, and always that gave me a next. Yes. So yesterday we had another talk with Didi, and he has given me another strategy. So hopefully by next this event I'll be ready. Yeah.
Next event I'll tell you we have planned 2 to 3 days again. One day me and Didi will speak. One day guest lectures like Swaroop and all. One day just for members. They should tell us their journey. This journey should be taught.
What I am also thinking that you have more doctors there, and let me teach for doctors how to do that. Yes. True.
I'm so happy to see your growth here. Like whenever I see your example, like the grit that you have always shown, and I don't know if it comes because you are a medical professional and it requires a certain level of discipline and effort, and I think that's inbuilt within you to like work.
Yes, actually I would say that it is passionate. Actually, what I feel that I have learned something, and I want to have a balance between my personal commitments and my professional commitments. So I don't want to sit from morning to evening in our OPD and see patients, which doctors usually think of. To have more and more in patients. That is the dream of a doctor, to have full OPDs, waiting OPDs. But I don't feel that. I feel quality of life is also important. You should have time for yourself. So this quality time concept I learned from digital marketing, where I used to say, they don't know, but I mean, they have not learned so much, they have not worked so many years in education, and they are earning so good. Why not we? We should also do it. We karenge na that way.
So I have 2 final questions. What would you say somebody who is on the verge of joining Alpha Club, karu, nahi karu, join? What would be your advice to them?
Okay, so I would say whatever strategy has been given on day 1 by Didi, or the roadmap which has been designed, and once you or the other team members they give them, please follow it exactly, and follow that exactly and give updates. Bombard them all that, okay, we have got this. Yes, I know that. I am seeing that. But I think that is your own personal thing, that obviously you should be passionate about your business. Others can help you only when you help yourself there. So you should, and it's a saying also, God helps those who help themselves. The team is all there, they will help you out. But if you are coming out, attend the mastermind calls, attend there, show up there, ask your queries, you'll get answers with that.
To our audience right there, what would you say about Alpha Club in one line, with all your emotions? What is that one line? Would you tell about what is Alpha Club in one line? Yes.
So for me, it is my next phase. It is for me 2.0 for myself, because with digital marketing, I had made a presence in digital marketing, in the marketing world. But now Alpha Club is giving me a next phase. So I can dream more bigger. I can think myself being free from my everyday hustles and enjoy life, what I feel right now.